Aloha. Hey everybody. Uh I've had another experience of the ghostly paranormal type last night on my way to work. Well, before I went to work. I was walking upstairs into my master bedroom, and right before I walked into my unlit bedroom, I saw this like a it wasn't transparent, it was a solid oval shaped light hovering above my headboard. And upon walking into the room, I took one step into my bedroom. And as if noticing my presence, it dissipated. It just slowly disappeared, and then nothing. Little small things, but still, I have these experiences in my brand new home. So, I've always been known to have these things follow me because I am a beacon for that kind of stuff. Everywhere I go, I see ghosts, or I see things, or hear things. So, I have come to grips with it. I've had this gift for a very long time. It doesn't bother me at all, really, to be honest. Having dealing with it all my life, I've grown accustomed to it. There are plenty of people out there who make a career out of this. Going around hunting, not hunting, but trying to get evidence of the paranormal by going into all these haunted places. I could be walking or driving down the street and see stuff. Like the woman that I told you about that I saw a couple months ago during the summer. How she was just walking down the street in a weird way. It was like she had no life in her step at all. She was just kind of walking real tight, like as if she was walking between like a space between two walls, but it was so tight that she couldn't really move. And her head was kind of dangling down like this. Here, there was no face. I saw nothing but dreads dangling down. It was a weird experience for me, but a very cool one because I've never seen that before in broad daylight. So it was, pretty cool, to be honest. But that was pretty much my experience. As I said before, I will be posting more videos of my paranormal experience or even my UFO experiences. So stay tuned, everybody. And always imparting, aloha, mahalo, and ahuiho, which means to meet again in Hawaiian. Peace.